Bye.
Another Haitian food video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to clean and marinate your chicken. Now, the way that I'm doing it with chicken, you can do it with beef, pork, even fish, except there's something that you don't do in how we prepare our chicken to fish. But most seafoods you can do it, like crab, I would say conch, No, I don't think you can do that with conch. I'm not sure. You ask my cousin for that. But guys, so from now on, you will no longer be just taking your meat from the package and cooking it. I'm going to teach you step by step how to clean and marinate your chicken. So guys, let's get cooking on Untitled Chapter. Okay guys, so here we are in the kitchen. We're about to prepare our meat to cook. As you can see, it's chicken drumsticks. So we're gonna go ahead and remove it from the packaging. Okay. And remember, the way I'm going to clean it now, you can do it for all foods, but there are certain elements that I'm going to show you that you cannot do with seafood. Alright, so let's take them out of the plastic. Let's take that giant maxi pad out. Alrighty. Go. Another thing is you can save the packaging, so you can put like the chicken skins and any other nasty grease that you find in the package. Okay, keep it. Next, we're going to put salt. Salt helps remove the sliminess, and it also allows the apis to enter the chicken very well. Next, we have vinegar. Vinegar is to remove all the bacteria. Vinegar helps in removing bacteria and taking off the nasty chicken smell. And now we have limes to clean the chicken. Okay, so now we're going to cut our limes. I like to cut it in 3 pieces because it squeezes out easier for me. If you want to do it 2, that's okay. Please remember that you guys are cutting with a knife. It would be preferable that you use a cutting board instead of the way I'm doing it, so you don't touch your fingers off. Next, we're going to take a bowl to squeeze out all that lemon juice. You guys are going to see why I'm going to use it, but just squeeze out all the lemon juice in a nice clean bowl.
I'ma take my shot, man, I'm wide open.
Okay guys, so we're going to do this one step that you can't do for fish especially. We're going to make our shode water, and we put, like parsley stems, lime wedges, or whatever will make the water smell good. And we put that on the stove to boil, okay? Okay, so now we're going to take that lime juice that we squeezed and add it with the apis. It adds some good acidity. It's very good. You can also use vinegar as a substitute, or if you want to, you can use water.
It's gonna be alright.
Okay guys, so let's sharpen those knives and get to cleaning. One thing I want you guys to know is that when we slit the chicken, that's so that we can allow more of the apis to actually enter the chicken. Now, most Haitians, we throw away the skin, but if you like to eat the skin and you want to keep it, you don't have to remove it, okay? Me, I prefer to remove the skin. Me, I'm very weird when it comes to eating chicken, so I will not eat the skin for you. Only if it's fried. But even if it's baked, I'm still not gonna eat it. So me, I'm removing the skin. You, if you like it, you can always keep it on. That's not really an issue. And remember, those styrofoam plates, they make good trash holders. So when you're done, you would mostly keep everything together and throw it out. It's it helps you make less mess, and it also helps diminish the spread of salmonella, as we are still cleaning the chicken, and it's not cooked. Okay, so we use barbecue tongs to pierce the chicken while it's in hot water to remove any blood that's in the chicken.